Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to tell you what will happen if there is a rain on the day of driving test. First thing, I'm strongly recommend do some lesson on the day of raining. So if suddenly rain on your day of driving test, you don't panic. Because during the driving test, driving is different than normal days because you have less visibility and you need to operate wipers, your demisters, and you need to know how or when and how much you need to operate. Because if the rain is so heavy, you need to operate your wiper is a bit faster. But if little drizzling, you can't operate your wipers too fast, otherwise gonna damage your wipers. So these are the things make your driving more difficult during the rainy season. So first thing, same, telling again, do more lesson with the instructor or with your family member if possible. So what the reasons? Because visibility very less. So when is rain, you can drive little less than your normal speed. But it doesn't mean there is no car in front of you or you're on 60s and you can drive 40. If there is cars, you need to make the distance more than normal. So normally it's 2 second distance. When is rain, it can be 3 to 4. And you need to operate your wipers. So as it's rain today, I'll do some driving and I'll show you what the things you need to consider when you do driving test on the rain. So let's start now. So same, I give my right signal first before I'm moving. So even when I gonna move, because of the rain, my right mirror also is hard to see. Same, my central mirror, I can operate the wiper, but some of the car there is no rear wiper. So demister you need to operate. So I put the rear demister on. Same, I put my front demisters on. So when it's foggy, I don't need to wait. So you need to be very careful to operate your demisters because shouldn't be too late until you start your demister and you're not able to see, because you can't just stop and pull over anywhere. So you need to be very mindful about the demisters. So now I gave my signal right. I check center mirror, right mirror, and head check. So 5 seconds complete and I move my car. So end of the road. So I put my wipers on like this. So small rain. So I put on the slow motion. So signal left, and before I turn, see my look right side, no one there, good to go. So now rain is just drizzling, so I can't put my wiper too fast. So signal right there on the roundabout. Another thing, when you do the reverse parallel parking, 3-point turn, same, even you have a camera, still less visibility in the camera because sometimes drops come, sometimes mud. So you have to be very careful, okay? So I'm turning left from there. So same, slow rain, I just put my wiper slow. But during the rain, it happens suddenly very fast. So you need to operate the wipers. So I demisters on, so I don't need to worry about my rear demister. Front demister is on. So same, like as you can see, I'm going to the main road. If any car behind you, give you a signal bit early so they know you're gonna turn left or right. So making position on the left side, lateral position. Looking on the right, no one is coming on this lane, so I just go to my lane. So now this is the 60 zone, but the road is very wet, so I can drive little slow, but it doesn't mean 40, 35. So car in front of me is very far, so I can go to 50, 52, 53. And when you change the lane, also another problem during the rain because less visibility. So I give my signal right, check right mirror, head check, and done. So you need to get extra precaution when you do lane changes. During the rain is more difficult, so no rush, take your time, okay? And also when you stopping car, little bit far than normal position. So in the rain, same, when you apply your brake also give you more problem on the rain season. Because if you press your brake suddenly, your car can skid. So now same 60 zone, but car is close, so I maintain my speed. So now I am 48 because the car is close. Changing the lanes, check mirror, signal left mirror and head check, and move to the left lane. So take extra time, extra precaution when you do lane changes. Same, there is a car, so I make little more gap than normal. So I hope you learned difference between the normal day or the rainy day when you have your driving test. So make sure, don't forget to practice on the rainy season with instructor or possible with your family friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye for now.